Saneen Digital Camera Review, 4K Excellence for Photography and Videography. In the world of digital cameras, finding a device that balances high-quality imaging, user-friendly features, and affordability can be a challenge. The Saneen Digital Camera rises to the occasion, offering 4K resolution for both photography and video, making it a fantastic choice for beginners, vloggers, and travel enthusiasts. After thoroughly testing this camera, here's my detailed review. Stunning 4K video and high-resolution photography. The Saneen Digital Camera delivers ultra-clear 4K video recording, ensuring sharp, vibrant footage with excellent detail. Whether you're shooting travel vlogs, family moments, or creative projects, the camera captures smooth, high-definition video with accurate colors. For photography, the 48MP interpolated sensor produces crisp, well-saturated images, allowing for great flexibility in cropping and editing. Versatile shooting modes. One of the standout features is the 16x digital zoom, which lets you get closer to distant subjects without sacrificing too much quality. The camera also includes continuous shooting mode, great for capturing fast-moving subjects. Time-lapse and slow motion adds creativity to your videos. Multiple scene modes, portrait, landscape, sports, night, etc. Optimizes settings for different environments. User-friendly and portable design. The Saneen camera is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting. The 3-inch LCD screen flips up, which is perfect for vloggers who need to frame themselves while recording. The intuitive menu system ensures even beginners can navigate settings effortlessly. Great for vlogging and content creation. With external microphone support, this camera improves audio quality significantly, a must for professional-sounding vlogs. The built-in fill light helps in low-light conditions, though natural lighting still works best. The HDMI output allows for instant playback on larger screens. Battery life and storage. The camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, ensuring you won't run out of power during long shoots. It supports SD cards up to 128 gigabytes, providing ample storage for high-resolution photos and videos. Areas for improvement. Low-light performance. While decent, it struggles slightly in very dim conditions. Digital zoom limitation. Optical zoom would be preferable for sharper zoomed shots. Stabilization. A tripod or gimbal helps for smoother handheld footage. Final verdict, 4.5/5. The Saneen Digital Camera is an excellent budget-friendly 4K camera that delivers impressive quality for its price. Whether you're a beginner photographer, a travel vlogger, or someone who wants a reliable camera without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic choice. While it has minor limitations, its versatility, portability, and strong imaging performance make it a standout option. Highly recommended for hobbyists and aspiring content creators.